Hi and welcome back to another video from Advanced in Car. So today Owen and I have been working on this 2023 VW Polo. It's come in for factory front and rear OPS or parking sensors, and then because it's factory means it gets full integration with the car and the infotainment system, or 5F unit as we call it because of coding and things. So as you can see, with a Polo, you get the 4 sensors at the front, you get the 2 central colour-coded ones, and then 2 that are mounted in the grills either side in those lower sections. So it's all in factory positions and looks nice and discreet. With these cars, the little grill mounted ones, they come as blanks first. So you might look at it and think, oh, I've got sensors, but actually you haven't, they're just blanks. And then at the rear, yes, we know there's already damage. I think that's maybe why they come in for a parking system. You get your 4 body coloured sensors. So regardless of what colour your car is, they'll be painted to the colour of your car. And again, all in factory location, so they just work as they should do. Then coming inside, the way the whole system interacts with the car and the infotainment system is that when you pop it into reverse or you press your new parking button, you then get your full OPS display on the screen, as you can see, with the car, the rear parking sensors and the front parking sensors, and you get your moving guidelines for whichever trajectory you're taking. So if you're going reverse, your moving guidelines are for the rear and will sweep as you're turning the wheel. And then as soon as you go into first, or if it was an automatic drive, then the fronts will be activated, and then you get your moving guidelines on the front, and then they work like that. That system will then, that display will then stay on whilst you're manoeuvring and things, and as soon as you pull away and get above 7 miles an hour, I think it is, the system will then just turn itself off automatically and you're good to go. You don't actually need to use the button. The only time you would really use the button is if you're in kind of slow moving traffic, and obviously because they can be activated automatically. If you're a bit too close to the car in front and you want to turn them off, you just press that button and away they go. And then the only other thing that you get, obviously because it's all factory equipment, is when you go into the vehicle menu on the infotainment system, you can then go into settings, and you've now got a new sub menu that is parking and maneuvering, and you can go into there, and that has all your activate automatically. It has your front tone and volume for the sensors, so you can change that, and you can also change the rear tone and the volume as well. So obviously if you're a bit hard of hearing or anything, you can turn either one of those sounders up a bit, and you can also change the tone, because obviously some people can't necessarily hear all tones, and you can also adjust how much the entertainment fader kicks in. So say if you've got the radio on or you've got some music on and you're going to attempt a parking maneuver, as soon as that parking system comes on, it'll automatically lower the entertainment, so you don't have to then turn the volume down, and you can hear all your sensors and things. So that's about it really. You just get full integration because obviously all factory equipment. It's all seamless, it's all in, all coded really nicely and fitted well, obviously. Shouldn't have any problems with it. Yeah, and that's it really. 2023 Polo with factory front and rear parking sensors. You got one of these or something similar? Obviously we do a whole range of factory equipment for the VAG group. Get in touch, fill out the contact form, send us all the details over to the car, and we'll see how we can help you out. In the meantime, check out all the socials, see what else we've been doing, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.